Hello friends, welcome to MathsTutorial. Today's topic is ratio and proportion. What is ratio and proportion? When we want to compare two quantities, we can do it either through ratio and proportion or through percentage. Here we will compare the two quantities by ratio and proportion. Such as, for example, in a basket, it contains 20 oranges and 10 apples. We can compare the two quantities in the form of fraction by dividing first one by second one. So, number of oranges divided by number of apples equal to 20 by 10. We can write it in this form. Here number of oranges equal to 20, it is called first term, and number of apples equal to 10, it is called second term. So, when we find the ratio of the number of oranges to the number of apples, we will find the lowest form or simplest form of its terms, which cannot be divided by any number other than 1, such as 20 is to 10 will be 20 by 10. If we divide by 10, we will get 2 by 1, that is 2 is to 1. It is written as is 2 with this symbol, and it is the lowest form of the terms because 2 by 1 is not divisible by any number other than 1. So, always remember these things, that ratio is the lowest form of the terms. Such as another example, I have 5 pencils and 10 pens. So, ratio will be 5 is to 10, that is 5 by 10. If we divide 5 by 10, we will get 1 by 2, that is ratio of pencils to pen will be 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 is to 2. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel.